Thank you for the applause. Did you know that in the US every year, there are 55 million procedures that require skin closure? And of those procedures, roughly 4 million will have a wound complication, 1.5 million will have a medical adhesive-related allergic reaction, and over 500,000 will end in infection. What you're seeing here is the standard of care for over thousands of years. BRIJ Medical is here to change that, and I'm Tim Gleeson. Whether it's staples, which are fast and cheap, patients hate them, they're painful, they leave horrible track marks, or sutures, which introduce a foreign object into the incision site and do very little in the way of offloading tension, or glues and mesh, which, as we've seen, a huge amount of allergic reaction in recent, or tapes, which lay flat on the skin, or closed incision negative pressure, which in a comorbidity example are great, but they're very expensive and kludgy. This category is ripe for disruption and represents roughly $5 billion in the US. Meet BRIJ Medical's platform product, the Brijit. It's a force-modulating tissue bridge with a hypoallergenic adhesive, sits flat on the skin, and has no puncture wounds, so no return visits and no staples to remove. As you apply an applicator, the bridge opens up and out, and as it lands, everts the skin right at the point of the incision, offloading tension up to 100%. They're individually placed, so you can put them over a straight line incision, or you can go on a curved incision. And you'll see that aversion right at the surface and subsurface. Patients wear them for an extended period of time, typically 10 to 14 days. And in our UT Southwestern RCT, side by side in breast, left breast was used sutures to close, right breast was Brijit's. We had a 90% reduction in open wounds and a 38% improvement in scar. Dr. Monty Eves, our founder and CMO, was the former head of plastics at Emory. So naturally, we've got our start in plastic surgery. But orthopedics is fast approaching and coming along. Total hips, knees, foot and ankle, and shoulder. And then the holy grail, the 9 million procedures that show up in the ER every year in laceration. We've got 40,000 plus procedures under our belt, UCSF, Stanford, Duke, to name a few. And MD Anderson just signed an agreement to convert in Q3, so we're excited about that. Our portfolio of IP is incredibly strong, 68 patents across the globe, and plus. My name is Tim Gleeson. We do have an open fundraising round. We're also looking at strategic partnership to accelerate growth and focus on our next-gen product launch. Thanks very much. That's how you do it. Just joking. All right.
Great job, Tim.